ignition.
Disarm.
Backs.
On.
14 stage checked. Wing collision eyes off. EPR.
Checked out.
FMS mode synchronized. Flaps 20. ADG control unit. Flight control checked. No steer.
Armed.
Flight instrument gas.
Checked.
Checked. After start check is complete. Yeah. Ready for taxi.
Roger, get taxi to holding point 03 left. The wind 030, 11 knots, QNH 1009.
So, copy. So, I guess taxi via Papa, then runway 03 right to Echo. For runway 03 left, correct?
Correct. Papa and poi via Echo.
Papa runway and Echo. Okay, it's free.
Clearance available.
It's briefed. Let's do a clearance.
Ready to complete clearance, yes.
Get to destination via BAMVU 5 Sierra, Chilio. Permit to maintain flight level 150. Squawk 5453.
BAMVU 5 Sierra, flight level 150, 5453, squawking. Grazie.
Correct.
Okay. So flight level 150 is set.
5453. And BAMVU 5 Sierra is briefed. Clear right.
Clear left.
Yes, you have a Cessna here, so aim in the middle.
Alright.
You see?
Yeah.
Grosseto.
Go ahead, sir.
Management to Mabis, the squawk 5413.
5413, scoping.
Correct.
Okay, clear right.
Thanks.
What's this aircraft?
Get Hawker.
Okay, or not?
So my brakes are checked. Check your brakes.
My brakes, check your brakes. Brakes, checks your brakes.
Brakes.
Clear right. No fence.
Car is waiting.
Sorry?
Car is waiting for us.
Yeah. So next left and 1, 2, 3, the third to the right.
Roger.
Depending on this one, but I don't think it's available. Eurofighter.
Remember the trick when it's very windy, as in headwind, and the aircraft is fairly light, then try to apply as much takeoff thrust as possible before, leaving, because otherwise you might not achieve the takeoff thrust before 80. Then he goes into N1 hold, and you don't have the full takeoff thrust set. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. So we may do a kind of soft static takeoff.
Exactly. Cool. Taxi checklist.
Brakes? Checked. Takeoff brief, we are stop minded. It's okay for you?
Yeah.
And after takeoff, just remind on runway heading, flight level change, heading mode 2000 feet, turn left, above the sea 4000. We avoid visually, super nice weather. And that's brief. And for the SID, almost the same, 1500 left turn to proceed overhead and after leave on the radial. Question?
Which modes on this sit?
Yes, it will be nav and vertical speed.
Checked. Any hand flying or autopilot?
Yeah, And flying if you're okay.
Okay, just be careful because during the turn you will get the full sun in your face.
Yeah.
So it might be difficult to see. We'll have the ignition on because of all these birds.
Yeah.
That's okay with you.
That's okay with me.
Okay, ground chart please.
Grosseto, presa salute, corso finale.
Take a checklist above the line.
Above the line.
Grosseto, chiudiamo a 5-0, buonasera. Anche a voi, buonasera.
Where's the radar on?
Oui.
Yes, it's mandatory for takeoff. Yeah, you're right. TSFD engage. So, above the line, cabin
Secure.
secure, count ignition. So, on for the bird. Transponder, terror above, the radar is on it. TSFD engage, above the line, complete. So, this is Delta.
So if you're ready, then we can tell him ready.
Approaching Echo, we're ready for departure.
7, Roger. Now is to the left, line up and clear for takeoff. The wind 05014, gust 18.
We are clear line up and takeoff. Runway 03 left.
Takeoff checklist below the line.
Below the line. Wing cause anti-ice.
Off.
Windshield window hit. Low probs on. Gas.
Takeoff config okay.
Takeoff config okay. Runway heading.
180 degrees checked.
Check takeoff clearance. Obtain. Obtain.
Obtained.
Below the line. Complete. Clear right. Nothing on the approach. Without any radio failure. Boing, boing, boing. So wind slightly from the right. Well, almost on nose. Yeah.
And if you want, you can display the SID chart.
Both. This one is better, maybe. Tack. Prefer this one, yeah.
Okay, so there is the arrestor gear. Okay, your brakes, your controls.
My brakes, my controls. You ready?
Ready?
Alright, let's go. Check takeoff thrust.
Takeoff thrust is checked.
Checked.
80.
Checked.
V1. Rotate.
Ooh, windy.
Positive rate.
Gear up. Nav.
Nav.
Vertical speed.
Vertical speed. Gear up.
Thank you. Sharing balance. Okay.
Confirm, cancel the caution.
Yeah.
Okay.
Airport 54, station frequency report passing flight level 80.
Report passing flight level 80.
Approaching 3000, speed 200, please.
Speed 200 is set.
Speed 186, flap 0.
Flap 0 set.
And speed 250.
Speed 250 is set.
Checked. And after takeoff, check this, please.
tankey lever up, flap 0, thrust reverses, off, climb thrust set, CAS, APR arm, pressurization checked, after takeoff checklist completed.
شكرا حبيبي. Not standard. You have a thing? Okay, disappear now. So report passing flight level 080.
I'll go standard already.
And yes, we were clear. So standard set, passing 76 stop.
Standard set check.
Copy.
Passing flight level 82, climbing flight level 150.
Roger, continue to flight level 180, contact Roma, ciao.
Please say frequency.
180 flight level, please. Listen, I think.
And confirm frequency for Roma.
124.2.
124.2. Goodbye.